Recently, in one of my Profit Insiders for Interior Designers group coaching program, one of my clients asked, how do they create a business plan for next year, right? How do they plan for it and know that they're going to be increasing their business and maintaining their lifestyle? And that's what we're going to talk about today, creating a business plan that's going to work for your business and for your lifestyle. Okay, here we go. I have helped thousands of interior designers become more confident, more profitable, and market themselves to their ideal client. Now it's your turn. I'm Nancy Ganzekaufer, business coach and body language trainer, and I'm ready to teach you something new. By the end of this video, you will have the exact 4 steps that you need to create that profitable business that you want. Before we get started here though, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss even one video that teaches you how to become a profitable interior designer. Do me a favor, make a comment. Let me know what you want to learn because that's going to help me make more videos. So one of the biggest ways to create a profitable interior design business, right? We want to be profitable. Otherwise, it's kind of a side gig and it's not really a business, right? So we want to be profitable. How do you do that? I've got 4 steps for you to create a business plan that can get you to that profitability level that you want. So listen in. So let me ask you something. Have you set your goals for the coming year? Have you set SMART goals? Are they achievable? Did you actually write them down? So listen in as to what a SMART goal is, because I want to make sure that you do this right. And before you even set your SMART goals, I want you to think to yourself, what worked over the last year? What really didn't work over the last year? And here's the most important one. Listen up. Did you hold yourself accountable? Did you hold your feet to the fire and say, I set this goal and I am not going to let it go? Or do you need a coach or someone, an accountability partner, a mentor to make sure you actually follow through? So think about that and get ready. It's time to set your SMART goals. So you're probably wondering, what is a SMART goal? A SMART goal, SMART is an acronym, S-M-A-R-T. A SMART goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. So when you're creating a SMART goal, I don't want to hear you say, I want to double my income next year. I want you to say, I made $50,000 this year and I want to get to $100,000 by, and give it a date. So you want to say, is it specific? Yes, I want to make an extra $50,000. Is it measurable? Yes, because I'll be able to tell how much money I made. Is it achievable? That is something you have to think about. Is it something that is achievable in the time frame you've set for it? Is it relevant to you? Yes, because you have made it relevant. If it is something that you want, then to me, that's pretty relevant and it's important to your business, to your survival. Otherwise, why work? And then is it timely? Timely, I think they also want you to set a time limit. Is it timely? So you're giving it a specific time frame, whether it be within 6 months or by a specific date. And is it something you need for your business right now or to make you happy? That all makes a SMART goal. So make sure when you're setting your goals, you don't just give these generalizations like, well, I want more of my ideal client. I want you to say, I need 5 more of my ideal client in the next 9 months in order to make me feel like I have achieved my goal. Okay, so goal number 1 was setting your SMART goals. Did you do it? Okay, I hope you did. And I hope you wrote them down because it's really important. Number 2 in my list of 4 things that are going to help you finish your business plan for the coming year and to set your SMART goals is to review your finances. Have you looked at your finances in a while? Do you know whether every single job you've worked on is actually profitable? grab my profitability analyzer. It will be able to give you the tools you need to enter the numbers on each completed job that you've done over the last year or even 6 months. I always like to have my clients in my Profit Insiders for Interior Designer Group program do at least 4 past jobs and to see whether it was actually profitable. Because without looking at your numbers and analyzing your numbers, it's really hard to create a business plan for the coming year. But I know you can do it. So grab the profitability analyzer and get calculating. Let's see how many jobs you have had that are profitable between 40 and 60%. That's what I like to see my clients at when they are interior designers. While you're grabbing that link, don't forget to put in the comments, what is your biggest struggle? Is it finding your ideal client? Is it being profitable enough? Is it setting your prices, setting your service models? Let me know what you're struggling with. Like I said before, it's going to help me make really valuable videos for you. Now I want you to look, number 3, evaluate which of your marketing initiatives have actually worked for you in the past. So think about it. If you're on Facebook and Instagram and maybe Pinterest or LinkedIn, and you're using all the neighborhoods of Instagram, it's kind of hard to figure out like what has worked for me. Now, this is really important because to set your marketing goals for the coming year, we want to know what's worked. Is it local networking that you're doing? Is it friends and family? Are you using your Facebook personal page or your Facebook business page or cold calling, dropping by open houses? There's so many ways to market yourself as an interior designer, but it really is difficult to do if you really haven't evaluated what's worked for you so far. The other thing is to evaluate how long you've done them for. I've heard over and over again when I make suggestions to people on how they should market their business, they're like, I tried that. Sorry, did that, didn't work. I'm not doing that again. Or I don't like when people do that because it's icky and it's annoying, right? So I want you to really take notice, right? If you're sending emails, no, don't want to send emails because people get annoyed by emails. Are you using your Facebook personal page? No, because I don't want to see people's businesses. It's personal, right? What are the limiting beliefs that are coming up for you that's preventing you from getting to that next level of profitability and success when it comes to your marketing? So looking at your marketing strategies from the past year is really going to help you set your marketing strategies for the coming year. So take a look at them. Write down what you've done. And don't forget that from this point forward, I want you to kind of keep a marketing log, kind of a journal of your marketing efforts, at least globally, what you're kind of doing. Have you set your plan? How many times a week are you posting on each social media? Or how many times a month are you getting out into the public and socializing among people who might be your ideal client or are your ideal client? All these different things are so important for you to have success, right? Which initiatives are bringing you closer to the profitability that you want? I want you to really take stock in your marketing. Is your website up to date, right? I want you to think of marketing as all the places that you have a public-facing presence. So that is you when you show up anywhere live, and then it's you wherever you show up on the internet. So that could include your website, your social media, and what else can you think of? Do me a favor, write in the comments below what you have done. Marketing is one of my favorite things to teach people. It's just so all-encompassing. And the best part is when I'm in a group program and people are exchanging ideas and they're telling me what worked for them, it's so exciting to everyone else in the group, right? So think about the fact that you might need a little push to get this going, but you may not. You may be able to just get this plan and go, I've got this. But if you need a coach, think about getting a coach or getting an accountability partner. It is going to get you to your destination, to your SMART goals, faster than you can possibly imagine. Okay, so let's review. You're trying to become more profitable as an interior designer. You need to make a plan. You need to make a business plan. And the 4 things I want you to do in order to do that is 1, set SMART goals. Number 2, review your finances and download the job profitability analyzer so you can plug in the numbers of every single past job you've had to see whether you're coming in at that 40 to 60% profitability margin. Number 3 is evaluate the marketing you've done. Is it working for you? Is it not? Where have your clients come from? Is your reach getting further out into the world towards your ideal client, that they're actually seeing you on a steady basis? Has it worked? Has it not? Is it making you more profitable? Because that's the goal here. And number 4 is hire a coach if you need one. If you need help, go out and get some help. So again, write in the comments, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I come out with the next video. I am so happy to help you guys every single day. It's what I do. So I want to make sure that you are served well by following my channel.